A lot of you guys nowadays are claiming to be locked in. That's the new term that everyone's throwing around nowadays. And you claim that you are, but in reality, you're not getting much of anything done at all, and you're not making any real progress towards your goals. And now, it's now or never at this point. It's December. It's about to be the new year. Everyone's about to start making their new goals, trying out these new things. So now is the time to get yourself set up in December before January comes and everyone's on the same new year, new me type stuff. But what I tell you guys today, I hope that you'll actually take some value from. Over the past month and a couple weeks, I guess month and a half, it would be, I've been trying out this new strategy, and it has really started to like transform my day-to-day and the things I've been able to get done and actually do, rather than just saying that I'm productive, saying that I'm working on something, and I'm actually not doing anything at all. I've actually been able to get stuff done, created new habits for myself, and honestly been very consistent, and I'm very happy with where I'm at right now. And I just got to stay the course, and I know that it will all work out for me. So anyways, I'd like to share it with you guys. And most videos nowadays are very over edited. Maybe someone has millions of subscribers, and a lot of the advice that you guys are hearing, and the advice that I hear as well, is from these big people that overproduce, over edit, do these fancy edits and PowerPoints and things like that. And I just hope that what I'm telling you guys and what I'm about to tell you guys, this strategy that I've been using, is something that you guys will actually take to heart and try out. Like, I feel like I'm just a normal ass dude. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers. I'm sitting in my car. I just worked out. It's almost midnight. I'm just like you guys. And I hope that what I'm telling you will actually resonate, and you guys can actually take it in, okay? Take it in and use it. Because if you're not taking it in and using it, the advice I'm about to give you, like, you're not really getting anything from this video at all, and you're just wasting your time. But I like to believe that you guys are different. If you've made it here, it's almost at the 3-minute mark. You're watching a unedited video, guy sitting in his car, like I said, less than 1,000 subscribers, no fancy edits or anything like that. I'm just talking. I like to believe that you guys are different if you've made it this far, because this day and age is plaguing us. All the TikTok, Instagram, YouTube shorts, whatever. It's an epidemic, to be honest, and everyone needs that fast dopamine. But if you guys are able to sit through a video like this, it's not giving you a lot of dopamine, but the things that I'm telling you, if you apply them, you will get infinite amounts of dopamine when you actually achieve your long-term goals. So keep that in mind. Welcome. I think I've weeded out the weak ones, the ones that should not be watching this, that haven't made it even 3 minutes in, because the rest of the stuff they're doing today is so much more important than getting actual advice. But whatever, to each their own. So now that I got you guys, I would like to tell you what I've been doing. Basically, after Halloween, I think it was like November 1st, it was a good day for me to start, first of the month, whatever. I started this new thing where I write down 5 daily habits in a little notebook that I have. It's not even a dedicated journal. You don't have to go out and buy some bullshit diary. Like, grab a piece of notebook paper for all I care. Take it, write down 5 check boxes. You can do this the night before. I actually highly recommend that. Do this the night before. Write down 5 check boxes, and next to it, create 5 habits for yourself that are non-negotiable, that you will do every single day, and you will check off every single one of those no matter what. Even better, do these things in the morning. That really gets you jump started, it gets you buzzing, it gets you dialed in, and you'll be ready to go. And it'll make the rest of your day so much better. It's like when you're going down a path, fork in the road, and you can choose one or the other. It's like you're making that decision first thing in the morning, and doing these little habits will get you so straight on the right path. It's not even funny. The rest of the day will just be exponentially better if you started off right with some daily habits. Now, this is not like groundbreaking advice. Okay, we've all heard it before, like daily habits are good and whatnot, but actually try it, please. Tomorrow, just like, You don't even have to do it on paper. I love doing it on paper. It's more sentimental, I guess, but do it in your notes app. Although paper I do recommend, so try out paper. But 5 daily habits. I'm gonna give you guys an example of what I do. It has really been working for me. The past 30 days or whatever, I have not missed a single habit, a single day. Even on, like, it was Thanksgiving as well. Didn't even miss that as well. First thing, and these can be, okay, I'll get to that later. First thing, I have make bed. Then I have Spanish, like practice Spanish on my Duolingo app, whatever. Then I have 100 pull-ups. These I don't do immediately necessarily in the morning unless I'm feeling it. Spread it out throughout the day, whatever. You guys can do like 50 push-ups, something like that. 20 push-ups if you're just getting started, you know, whatever. Just some sort of physical thing to get you dialed. So I have, what did I have so far? 100 pull-ups, Spanish, make bed. Okay, these are like easy things other than 100 pull-ups. Then I have set 3 daily goals and then a cold shower, ice cold as it can be without losing water pressure. I've not missed any of these 5 habits in the last month, whatever. For the 3 daily goals that you have to set, this can range between 3 and 5. At least 3 is a good number to give you actually stuff to do. Maybe if you have a really big goal that's going to take a lot of time, do like 2, whatever. Don't do more than 5. I did that the other day. I wrote like 6, and I actually started feeling really shitty about myself because I was only able to get 3 done, even though I wrote 6, but that would have been my 3 for the day anyway. And I was feeling really bad about myself. I was actually filmed, I think it was like one of my last videos that I've posted was me talking that day, and I was really down. So don't do more than like 5, but then I like leave a space, and then I go down and I write 3 check boxes, and those are where I fill in my daily goals, okay? That gives you direction for the day. The habits get you set up. They get you like, think you're a pilot getting into your cockpit in the morning. I don't know why I emphasize the word cock so much, but whatever, cockpit. You're a pilot getting in your cockpit, and you're flipping on the controls. You're clicking all the levers, the buttons, whatever. I'm not a fucking pilot, I don't know. But you're clicking all these buttons, and you're getting dialed in. You're getting your brain right. You're getting your body right. Okay, when I take a cold shower, it is impossible to take a cold shower and then just lay back down in bed and sit on my phone. If I'm taking an ice cold shower, especially if I woke up early, I am not going to be laying my ass back down. I'm going to be up doing something because my mind is going to be going crazy. I start doing my pull-ups as well. Don't do all 100 at first. Maybe if you guys have like 20 push-ups as your daily habit, do that right away in the morning. Get your like blood pumping a little bit. I like to do a couple pull-ups in the morning and then spread them out throughout the day. Whatever. And I hope that you guys are following along right now. Okay, create your own habits. It doesn't have to be exactly what I recommend, what I do. I know it's different for everyone. I don't like waking up early. I've been forcing myself a little bit, but honestly, for my schedule, it just doesn't work. I lift really late at night, and as long as I'm getting my lift in and doing a lot of productive work, it doesn't really matter for me. But for you, it might, okay? Anyways, so carry along. Be following along right now, all right? So cold shower gets me like buzzing. Pull-ups get my blood pumping. Make bed. That's the first thing I do every morning because that is so easy. Anyone can do that. You have no excuse not to do that. And sometimes it's just that little step that gets your entire day in the right direction. It's like that Navy SEAL commander, colonel, whatever he is. He gave that famous speech. He was wearing like the white uniform. Just start out with making your bed and you can change the world. It's kind of cliche or whatever, but it's true. It doesn't have to be making your bed either. Like, I don't know why you wouldn't make your bed every day, but if you don't, do something else that's just as easy. Brush teeth. Make that, I hope you all fucking brush your teeth, but if you don't every day, you got a problem, but it's a good opportunity to make a habit. But even if that has to be your daily habit, even if you do that already and that's not a problem at all, which fucking everyone does, write that as your daily habit. If you're just getting started, you're in a low place right now, whatever, like, write that as your daily habit. That is the easiest thing that you can check off. And the dopamine that you get from checking out these boxes every day, is like so much more than scrolling on your fucking phone. Okay, remember that. Make bed is the easiest, and then Spanish, that takes me 2 minutes, whatever. I do that while I like go to the bathroom in the morning, whatever. Or right after I sit up at my desk, to be honest. That gets me kind of, my brain as well, cognitively in the zone, because I'm having to solve problems with it. Okay? Please try out this method that I have, whatever. It's not some secret method, but I hope that like me sitting here being a normal ass guy with like 600 subs, just telling you guys, I'm trying to make y'all better. Like, it's been working for me. Try it. Okay? Like, the big videos, they go over your head. I know. It happens to me too. I've watched hundreds of hours of like self-improvement videos, podcasts, advice videos, like everything. I've been studying this shit for years, and so much of it just goes over my head. I've read books, a ton of books about self-improvement as well. I've read almost 12 books this year as well, and then some previous year as well. A lot of that stuff just, I know it's in a book, and books kind of, they stick a little bit better, but a lot of it still just flies over your head because it's hard to implement it. I know, but dude, man to man, man to woman, I don't think I have any woman subscribers, but fucking try this out tomorrow, please. Just try it. It's all if you're still watching, it's 12 minutes now, bro. If you're still watching, which is like almost none of you, try it tomorrow, okay? Just trust me. And then do it day after day after day. I've been doing it past month, as I said. And you know what else? I did those 5 daily habits. Those aren't going to make me successful, right? Those are not going to directly... Me taking a cold shower every day is not making me fucking money. All right? Me making my bed, doing my Duolingo is not building my dream body. Is not realizing my full potential for the physique that I can have. It's not getting me bigger in the gym. It's not making me any more muscle or anything like that. But you know what these 5 daily habits have done for me? I have not missed any days of lifting ever since I started doing this. I have not missed any days of tracking calories ever since I started this. Okay, like, think about that. Think about that. None of those 5 daily habits have to do with lifting or tracking calories. Other than maybe pull-ups, but fuck you, whatever. Those 2 things, lifting and tracking my calories, those have been changing my physique so much, making me such a better man. And they're not even on my daily habits. But because I do those 5 daily habits, non-fucking negotiable every single day, why would I skip a day of lifting? Why would I skip a day of tracking my calories as well? Why would I do it if I've already done my 5 daily habits in the morning? Which has gotten me dialed in the zone, locked in. A lot of you motherfuckers want to say you're locked in on your winter arc, whatever bullshit there is on TikTok nowadays. Like, you say that and you're not doing anything. So try this out, please. And honestly, I'm sure most of you guys are putting in some good work, but this is going to take you to the next level. Okay? One last thing I want to share with you guys. Video's at 14 minutes. I know y'all got stuff to do. One last thing that I've been trying out, a little bonus. And I'm only halfway through 1 week of doing it. I think I've done it like 4 days now. So I'm not going to like endorse it technically yet. But I just want to tell you guys what's up. I got my daily habits, my 3 daily goals, whatever. Right? I got those locked in. I'm locked in. I got those locked in. Haven't missed a day of those. Okay, now I'm like, all right, what's going to take me to the next level above that? What am I going to do to be an even better man? It's going to take me even farther, right? I had this idea. Now, I'm sure this has been done. It's not like a revolutionary idea either, but it's just the way I implement it. And hopefully I'm holding you guys accountable. And it's actually giving you some real value. I started a T-chart Sunday night. And I laid out like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to Sunday, whatever, all 7 days in a T-chart. So, okay, T-chart down the middle. This says plan to do. This says actually did. Then I have Monday, Tuesday, all the weeks down like that, vertically. All right, in a column. Then I have my lines crossed off, whatever. Have all these 2 boxes next to each day of the week. On Sunday, this past Sunday, 3-4 days ago, I wrote out a list of everything that I plan to do each day for that. What do I want to do every single day? Now, this will change, you know. My week is pretty flexible. I change around my stuff a lot based on kind of what comes up. I'm sure you guys do as well. Or maybe you're more, you have more of a predictable week every week, okay? But that makes this even easier. You do out what you're like planning to do, write that out. And then as each day goes on and you do those things, add those in. If you do any bonus things, add those in. If you plan to do something and you didn't fucking do it, you're not writing it down. That's a day missed for that activity, that plan that you had for that day, your task for the day. That's a missed. And I have found that this, compared to a normal calendar, which I had been trying out, works so much better because it's day by day. And it just kills me to not be able to fill in on actually did and to leave it blank. It just kills me. Sorry, I had to move my truck because someone pulled up right fucking next to me in an empty parking deck, probably to smoke or some lazy shit like that. But I'm gonna continue the video, wrap it up real quick. Basically, like the T-chart, it kills me to not be able to fill in and match up on what I plan to do versus what I actually did. I hate it if I can't fill that in as well. And you know what this also does? It allows you to be able to see if you're actually doing anything during the week or if you just think you're productive and the time is slipping away from you. Because that is honestly something I've suffered with. I think that I'm like really productive sometimes, and then I look back and I'm like, wait, what did I actually do? And it's nothing. So this actually like writes out what exactly that you can do, or what you plan to do, I should say, and then you are able to see if you actually execute, because that's something that I've kind of struggled with as well, like executing, following through on a plan. I'm good at mapping out plans and things, but actually like following through every step and seeing it to the end, not so good. So this T-chart has been working so far. Just a bonus part of the video I wanted to share with you guys. Also recommend that, but the main thing recommending is the 5 habits, 3 daily goals. And you guys, I promise you, if you actually implement this, please implement this. There's no way you're gonna still be watching and not. Anyways, I trust you guys. But go fucking kill it, man. I know that you guys are gonna use this, and trust me, do it for a month like I did, and you'll see huge results. And you'll feel so much better about yourself. And you'll see all these little changes in all aspects of your life in a positive direction. Good luck, guys. See ya.